With a doubleheader sweep at Baltimore on Saturday, August 25th, the Yankees reached the 82 wins mark and have clinched a winning record for the 26th consecutive season.
That one's drilled deep to left field. See ya! Ball game over.
Judge hits one into center. A monster shot.
It's the second longest such stretch in Major League history, behind only the Yankees' own streak of 39 straight winning seasons from 1926 to 1964. In the four major American pro sports, only the Montreal Canadiens and Boston Bruins have exceeded the Yankees' current accomplishment.
Line to center field. There's a base hit.